Hello everyone and welcome to jgcancook. So today is the day 6 of the 12 days food challenge, that is cooking food starting from letter A to Z. So we are doing this challenge as we are going to complete 1 year on YouTube on 24th of April. So without any further ado, let's get started. So today we are going to cook food starting from letter L and M. So from the letter L, we are going to make lava pancakes, that is chocolate filled pancakes. So for this we need approx 1.5 cup of maida in a bowl, then approx 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/4 Tsp of baking soda, 1/4 cup of powdered sugar and a pinch of salt. Then we will mix it well with a whisker, or you can also use a spoon. After mixing it well, we are going to add approx 2 tablespoons of butter in warm milk, that is 1 cup and 1/4 cup of warm milk. Then we will mix it well. After mixing the butter and the milk very well, we are going to gradually add the milk in our dry ingredients. So we will mix it very well with a whisker or with a spoon. There should be no lumps left, but don't overmix it. So guys, I have used the baking spoon and cup set to measure all these ingredients, and to know all the ingredients you can always check the description box. Now after mixing it very well, our pancake batter is ready. Now we need pancake batter and some chocolate. You can use dairy milk chocolate or any chocolate compound. I have used here milk compound. Now we will take a pan. On medium flame we will add some oil and we'll just wipe the pan with the tissue paper. After wiping it well, I will add approx 2 spoons of the batter and will just spread it. Then immediately I will add approx 3 cubes of these chocolate. You can use dairy milk chocolate also if you want, or you can use the compound. Then we will take some more batter and cover the chocolate. After adding the batter, as soon as the bubbles are formed, you need to flip it immediately. This indicates that your pancake is cooked. You can see how beautiful the color has come, and the pancakes are so fluffy. We will again flip it to check. You can cook it for more 2 minutes till the pancake turns golden brownish in color. And after 2 minutes, our first pancake is ready. One thing you need to remember here is this, that after every pancake you need to wipe your tawa with a tissue paper. So you can also make 2 pancakes at a time. We are following the same step again. Here I am only adding 2 pieces of chocolate. You can add more if you like more. And in no time they are also ready to serve. So our lava pancakes are ready to serve. Now let's plate it. So here I am adding the pancakes in a plate. You can see how fluffy they have turned out. Now to make it extra chocolatey, I am drizzling some chocolate. I am using here Hershey syrup. And then I'm adding some choco chips on it. So our lava pancakes had turned out really well. So guys, if you try this recipe, do share your feedback with me in the comment section or on my Instagram. Link is in the description box. And if you like this recipe, do give this a thumbs up. Now moving on to the next recipe, we are going to make from letter M, mango mousse. So let's get started with the recipe. So guys, for this recipe we will be needing the electric whisker. and I have freezed the blade of the electric whisker in the freezer for approx 1 hour and one bowl. Then I am taking out the bowl and adding in 1 cup of whipping cream in it. Then I will just start whipping it. So here we will whip it for approx 5 to 6 minutes. So first I have started to whip it on speed 2. We can increase the speed gradually if you want. So guys, we need to whip it till stiff peaks are formed. And to check the consistency, you can just flip the bowl, and if the cream doesn't come out, your whipping cream have whipped very well. So now moving on to next step, we need 2 mangoes. So here I will chop the mangoes and will add it directly in the mixer grinder. For both the mangoes you need to repeat the same step. Or you can just peel the mango and then chop it. Here I am doing it like this. Then we will add approx 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. You can avoid it if your mango is extra sweet. So we have mixed it well and it had formed a puree. Now we will take it out in a bowl and we will start adding it in the whipping cream. So here I will add 1 by 1 spoon so that the air bubble which is formed in our whipping cream don't just deflate. We need to gently mix the whipping cream and the mango with the spatula. So after all the mango is been mixed in the whipping cream, our 3 ingredient mango mousse is ready to serve. So here I am serving it in the shot glasses. You can take any dessert bowl or any glass if you want. So first I will add it in the piping bag. You can take any piping bag or just add it with a spoon. Here I am using no nozzle. You can use any nozzle if you want. After that we will cut it from the top. After cutting it, we will start adding the mango mousse in our shot glasses. Now to make it extra creamy and presentable, I am just adding a small amount of the whipping cream on it with the star nozzle. After that, I will just garnish it with almonds. Here I have used chopped almonds. You can also use mango or any other dry fruit. So our mango mousse is ready to serve. So guys, if you try this recipe, do tell me your feedback in the comment section or on my Instagram. And if you like this recipe, do give it a thumbs up. And do subscribe to our channel for more such recipes. So guys, this was it for the L and M letter. Stay tuned for the other letters which are left, and we will meet you tomorrow. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you for watching guys. Bye.